All right, good morning. Good morning. My Wi-Fi, a little bit of creatine in it. Um, kind of trying to do the high dose of creatine to see if it helps my brain because I need it. Also been kind of starting to go to the gym. You know, trying to get a little bit in shape. But all right, so overnight, well, I should say yesterday, I was basically losing all day and got a little bit of it back after I put a trade in at the new all-time high here, and I kind of expected it to come back a little bit, and it did. So when I woke up early in the morning, I cashed out. So, anyways, yesterday was not a great day as far as my discipline goes, and I'm really realizing revenge trading is. I don't know that I'm necessarily greedy as much as when I lose something, I want to get it back, and that's a big problem to overcome. Now, where are we today? Oh, we got a previous. We got a previous. 430. We still got these previous lows here, which are draws on liquidity. I expected price to go down yesterday, and it didn't. It made all-time highs. Now, we turn on the session indicator here. I'm going to mark out the rest of my levels. We got London and yesterday's New York. That's the New York low. We have the London low. And then we have the Asian low, which is up there. It already has been taken out. Asian low up here. We have the London high. We have the Asian high. And of course, we have the all-time highs. I like to make the all-time highs a little different. I'll do this orange color with dashed line. And I'm going to go to the 4-hour, kind of see what direction things are going. It is 9:16, so we've got 14 minutes till market opening. So we are in a clear uptrend, I would say. have been that way. See my pivot points here. Point. Not counting that as a pivot point. Get a higher pivot point. So, what do we want to? What can we see going on here? Now we do have these kind of support and resistance zones. It did break through that resistance zone, so I feel like since it did, it's kind of basically made this resistance less important. I'm going to do this other trend line here. It does seem to me like the market is shifting. And kind of starting to round the bend here and looking to go down. So between this all-time high and all these lows, I mean, we do have, I guess you could say, I think something big's gonna kind of happen. Maybe we'll get a big move. Now we will do the 15-minute 8 o'clock candle open. This here. So we're kind of above this range. If this is actually a trend, which I'm not really believing that that's a trend here, even though we did have a touch point, we do have a touch point. It's not like a bunch of touches. Chopping around today. Let's see, that's our 30 open. But again, if we let's see if I look at the Discord, see what people are saying. Basically, bunch of people talking shit. Let's see here. Okay. Let me see what I was going to. Let's see. Now, I had been using ChatGPT as like a little bit of a guide, and it was I was taking screenshots and then uploading it to ChatGPT and telling me telling it to give me an analysis, which I thought was very clever. However, I think it helped me learn some terminology, but not actually gave me any really accurate predictions or trades or anything. Okay, so big picture. We're kind of like in a sideways consolidation period here after we saw a lot of bullish trends here. The other thing I want to look for is we got these kind of trend lines. This is the upper part of the range, and it has been kind of pushing towards this bottom part of the trend range, and I feel like it is going to break out at some point today. We made all-time highs, and typically it's not like going crazy past the all-time highs. And there is a lot of liquidity down here, so I am kind of leaning towards it maybe going down. We're already at the bottom end of this trend range, so it's going to make some sort of move. I think that might be down. We got the resistance. It already broke through, but it is obviously giving us a little resistance still. My creatine's right at the bottom of the cup here. But 15 grams of it in there. I think at 20 is like a high, or anything over 5 is considered high dose. All right. So we still want to look at the path here. Oh yeah, we are in an uptrend. So, I mean, you kind of want to go with the market, obviously. Where would it break the trend if it were to go down? You'd have to go below this one here, which is doable. We're gonna make this a dotted orange, a dash orange there. So if it goes below this trend line, or this wick here, this low wick, then it is going to be on the 4-hour changing direction. Now we were in the downtrend here, and then once it broke how we were into now an uptrend. We're still in the uptrend, and we're above on the 15. We're above the zone of the opening New York market. We are in an uptrend, so you do get the break and retest. Let's see what we have in the break and retest. We got a lot of upside. We went to there, we got 20 points. I think it probably would reject, because we are kind of consolidating now. Let's see. Zoom in a little bit more. See what's happening. Rejected off the bottom part of this resistance zone. Already broke through obviously yesterday. It did resist a little bit. Put something in the oven. Be right back. We are 1 minute away from open. We're in F10. We're about to touch the range. It could go, I think, either way. Market is open. Got some selling pressure. We're reacting off the trend line. We got a little bit of a want to move up. See if the game plans out. The morning, watch for break and retest. Today's open to the upside. I'll target 15 to 20 points. Leave a runner, Asian high. Also look for rejection off line and high. If we don't get a break or retest, very close to all-time high. We only marked out 3 levels. We have to the upside. If we broke through Asian, I'm expecting all-time highs, but I will. Okay, so basically, where he's looking, break and retest to the upside. I mean, I see a little bit of support there, so I'm going to go ahead and put that buy. If we get that retest. And yeah, this is 20 points. If it retests, it's 20 points. We are kind of in a upwards trend, a bullish trend. Really, we're just looking for that retest. It does seem to be reacting off of this trend line here. Volume's not great. We do see some kind of a resist or support here. So if I did put a stop loss, I mean, it's safe to put it there. You could also put it right out the other end of this range here. Good profit going up here. Little also resistance to move higher. Almost tagging us in here. I don't love that it's the bottom end. Or I mean, three. Okay, are we in? Okay. Looks like we're almost in. Why aren't we in? Should be in. So there's one more push down. Okay, we're in now. Heading right to, okay, we passed the center point. Not great. I'm gonna move it. Still keep it 3-1 basically. Okay. Strong move down. We're not down below the lowest wick. But I kind of did predict it to be a little choppy today, ain't gonna lie. Because I wasn't sure where we wanted to go. We were obviously sideways this morning. Might have entered in a little prematurely. We have not broken this low. So moving back up. Strong candle down. That's what I don't like. Now we have a bit of equal lows here, which is offering some support, but it's been tested quite a few times. Back on the 4 hour. So again, if we go below this orange, then we're on the wrong side of things here. Maybe I should put my stop loss below that. We are heading back up. I've heard someone say that 10 points is a minimum, basically, for your stop loss. That would bring us, it would be $50 if we lost. Okay, we're pushing back up though, thank goodness. We did kind of break this low, but we didn't close below it. Not a great looking start to the day, to be honest with you. We are in an overall bearish direction on the 4-hour. Have to break this low to change direction. We are below this trend line. We have all this resistance up here. I guess if it does break below there, then we look for a retest to the downside. There's a lot of liquidity down there. This is a 3-to-1, so that's why we have the stop loss where it is. It's basically a 3-to-1 ratio. Not looking great. We made a change in state of direction to the downside. See if it holds. We've got 28 seconds left. At equal lows here. We're going to take out our stop loss. We're going to look for that break retest to the downside if that's the case.
Oh, okay, turn off the water then. Lucky I don't take shower yet.
Okay, so we have broken this low. We're gonna break and retest to the downside. So if we look out, so we're going all the way to the trend line. I'm gonna wait for that pullback flow. Could run away. Could run away. I'm gonna get this probably New York low here in a second. You might get that pullback off the New York low. Any sort of support in this area. Not really. A little bit. Already was taken out, but it did seem to have a reaction there. Let's see if it wants to go all the way back. I'm gonna leave that, so it's I always, inevitably when you go, oh, I'm gonna scoot up my limit order a little bit, maybe to this area, so it'll be more guaranteed that I'll get tagged, and then you lose about 4 or 5 points going the opposite direction. So I'm gonna keep this where it is. If it hits it, it hits it. If it doesn't, I'll look for another entry somewhere else. But it is starting to pull back a little bit. We got some equal lows. It's fighting a little bit. It is kind of making it could potentially see it kind of reversing. Maybe go all the way back to our limit order there. See how it goes. Again, looking at the bigger picture of things. Actually, I think ICC, this would be considered a indication. It pulled back over the support zone, and then now this is kind of a continuation. So I wonder if technically ICC stuff, this would have been the pullback, catching this resistance zone. We rejected here. This would have been like a good entry here. If that were the case, we would have been already close to hitting our target here. Basically the same. This. Okay, so we took out these two lows. We are in a downtrend. And we just seem to be moving. I don't think we have any 4-hour fair value gaps that we're really working off of. Everything has been so yeah. All the fair value gaps have been taken out, pretty much. We have made kind of an indication coming outside of this trend, I guess. I don't know if you call it that. I don't got a lot of touch points there. I think we can take this off. I could see what's going on. I could see what's going on. I could see this reversing here. I'm not seeing it going down. I see more upside than anything. I see more upside. I'm going to do a buy order. Last couple of days it's kind of pulled back and then a big uptrend. I'm not really sure. This could be the pullback we're looking for or the start of an uptrend. So we are in a bullish market. Kind of reacting like that same area here. I guess you want to see if you still want to see a beat for that. It does kind of look like a head and shoulders. Yeah. I don't know. do a retest. No, we're almost going to get the 20 points right there. Too bad we didn't get in. Makes me wonder sometimes with the break and retest, you do want to wait for the pullback, but I think ultimately this was the pullback. This was the pullback. The market opened outside of the range. Discipline, discipline, discipline. What we doing? What we doing? Don't get gambling. Focus on this. All right, we'll have. Okay, we have started to make a 4-hour fair value gap, which is right here. So that's my 4-hour fair value gap. Now it will come back at some point. Golly, yeah. Missed that one, huh? This is where we so too bad. It's probably going to come down and consolidate at some point, and then we'll make this move back up. But I think at this point, not much we can do. That's where the break and retest always gets me, is that I enter it in on that touch, and it usually stops me out. So you don't want to miss it. So almost like you don't need the touch, because we were waiting for the touch on the bottom time, did not get it, and we had a hell of a run. So I feel like there is something about this area in the morning that can be used to predict, or you can monitor to see which way it wants to move. But I had a feeling in the beginning, because we started making these 3 downward candles in a row. I said, well, that's a downward trend at that point. And they were pretty substantial candles. So. So Mom fell out of bed.
Okay, so you need to go down then.
Well, they said she's okay. Just calling let you know. About 5:24 a.m. your mom fell out of bed. She's not hurt or anything. She does have a little scratch to the left side of her chin. It looks like she did it while with her fingernail, but other than that, she is perfectly fine. We got her dressed and she's in her recliner. She asked for some water actually.